How to check your wallet address on SafePal. Are you guys facing issue to check your wallet address in SafePal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To check your wallet address in SafePal, open the SafePal application on your mobile device. Now, go to your wallet home screen, tap on the token you want to receive like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Then tap the receive button. Your wallet address will appear as long as a string of letters and numbers, along with a QR code. You can copy the address by tapping the copy icon or share the QR code for others to scan. Make sure you select the correct token and blockchain network. Each network receives and have different addresses depending on whether it's on Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chains, or others. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos on this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.